Hare Krishna, dear devotees, in the ancient Vedic civilization, women held a highly respectable place in society. Volumes are written about the status of women, their good qualities, heroic deeds from the Vedic period. Just like strong Varnashram system ensures balance in the society, a strong family system ensures balance at home. Arjuna understood this point very well and he was very sensitive about protecting the respect and the dignity of women. In fact, one of the reasons he presented to Lord Krishna for not fighting the Mahabharata war was related to protecting women. अधर्माभिभवात् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रिया स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसंकर. When irreligion is prominent in the family, O Krishna, the women of the family become polluted, and from the degradation of womanhood, O descendant of Vrishni, comes unwanted progeny. As Srila Prabhupada explains, good population in human society is the basic principle for peace, prosperity, and spiritual progress in life. The Varnashram religion's principles were so designed that the good population would prevail in society for the general spiritual progress of state and community. Such population depends on the chastity and the faithfulness of its womanhood. As children are very prone to be misled, women are also prone to degradation, and therefore both children and women require protection by the elder members of the family. By being engaged in various religious practices, women will remain protected. Come to 2024. Since August 9th, 2024, Kolkata has been in the limelight for the very wrong reasons. The unfortunate incident of the rape and the murder took place in a medical college, a place expected to be well protected by the state. What an irony! The outrage and anger is on the streets and in the minds of every Indian. Just a few months earlier, in February 2024, the infamous Sandesh Khali incident surfaced, wherein mainstream media reported a systemic sexual assault on many local women by a local political leader and his goons of the ruling party. This shook up the entire political, media, and the judicial ecosystem. A few spine shivering facts from the reference note titled Crime Against Women, published by the Lok Sabha Secretariat in 2011. In marriages and ceremonies, special care must always be taken to protect and honor women. A virtuous woman should always be protected from falling into distress. According to Chanakya Pandit, the different family traditions of religious activities should always engage women, and thus their chastity and devotion will give birth to a good population eligible for participating in the Varnashrama system. By the mercy of Lord Krishna and by strictly following Srila Prabhupada's instruction, ISKCON is regarded in the highest esteem for demonstrating morals, ethics, values, and culture in our behavior. People look up. People look up to the devotees to set the standards for morality. With the good training and practice of Krishna consciousness, the Vaishnavi ministry has been at the forefront of creating policies, creating awareness, providing the right kind of training for giving the right kind of protection for women in all circumstances and all situations. I congratulate them for the efforts they have made in their advocacy, in their training, in their policy making, by which women from across the world in the ISKCON ecosystem have benefited. Leaders have been trained and made aware of the dangers of misbehavior with women. I hope and pray that His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada bestows His causeless mercy upon each one of you who are serving so diligently and wonderfully in the Vaishnavi ministry, to be able to share this message and warning with leaders from across the world on how important it is for each one of us to follow the right kind of behavior, the right kind of standards, and the right kind of ethics. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama